guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, pending whenever you see this video. Merry Christmas, compliments of the season. I hope you're having a wonderful celebration ahead. Let's get right into the video. So to make this hanging wreath, you're going to need a carton piece. You can double your carton, draw out the circle depending on the shape and the size you want. I did not want mine so big, so that's why I just drew out a smaller circle. So you're going to be needing your fishing line or ribbon, but fishing line preferably so it would not show. Like maybe when it's hanging on the ceiling, people would think it's just, hanging on the air. So you take your fishing line and, tie it on the 4 holes you made. Like in the previous clip, you saw me, create these holes. You just, use something to make a hole in your carton, tie your fishing line there in all 4 corners. And this is what you should have. So as I'm doing this, I started to, use my hot glue gun, to also, place it in place to give it so I know that it is totally secured. This fishing line can be it loses a lot. So I said to, add my hot glue gun there so it can stay in place. And I went ahead to do that on the 4 corners of the carton. As you can see, it's already turning. Like if I didn't tell you it was fishing line and you can't see it, so you'd see how it is. So that's the first step. Next, you take your tinsel, any color of choice, and wrap it all around the cartons. You're going to wrap that up it in a way that you don't, wrap it around your fishing line. Make sure not to cover the fishing line, like just wrap it all around the carton. So I'm making use of this tinsel that I cut out from my previous wreath video. If you have not seen that video, please kindly check it out. It's a simple way to make a wreath. Like from my market vlog, you heard that wreaths were selling as at November ending, wreaths were going for 12,000 naira, 9,000 naira. So this is another cheap way you can, make your wreaths with cartons you have at home. You don't need to buy cartons, right? And then tinsels are just 1,000 naira for one. Then if you want to buy a dozen, it's like 11,000 naira. So it's quite affordable. So if you're buying, like you're making a simple wreath, 1,000, 2,000 naira worth of tinsel should do that for you. So I'm just going to go ahead and wrap this tinsel all around my carton, and we'll get back to you. Please, if this is your first time on my channel, you are welcome. Please do not be a stranger. You're welcome. Hope you're doing great. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below this video and join the family. Do not forget to also click the all notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And to my returning subscribers, God bless you and give you so many reasons to smile, because you guys are just the real MVPs. Thank you for making my Christmas special. Thank you for always watching my videos. I love you guys, and I love you guys, and I love you guys. I love you guys. So yeah, just go ahead and wrap this tinsel all around the carton, and then we'll show you guys the next step. So guys, as you saw in the previous clip, I finished wrapping up the cartons with the tinsels, and next I'm going to be taking this small ball, what do they call this? Is it bubble or ball ornaments? And I'm just going to be taking that same fishing line and looping it in the loop of the ornaments. Like I'm going to be doing it in different steps. So I want the decor to have this spiral look. So I'm going to be, doing that in all the tinsel. So I'm just going to be taking, like, the first loop is going to be like 1 inch long. The second step is going to be like, 2 inch long. The second one is going to be like 4 inch. I'm going to be giving like 2 inch gap to all the fishing line I'm putting. So the measurements I'm going to be using, like the first step is going to be like 1 inch. The second step 2 inch. The third step like 4 inch, 6 inch, 8 inches. I'm just gonna do that and attach it to the wreath, all around the wreath. Like, I don't think you understand me, like, but maybe when you see me do it, like, you can see I have hung the wreath in this my parlor. So I'm using this place that, you remember, there's a time that I told you our fan fell off. So that place has been empty in a while. So that's what I'm just, attaching the hanging wreath there. I just don't want that place to look bare. So that's why I'm attaching it. So the first one I just put there was like 2 inches. Then the second one is going to be like 4 inches. So it's going to have step by step all around the wreath. I'm going to go ahead and do that. So enjoy and watch me. Don't forget to do all the good stuff. Like, share, leave a comment. I'd love to read from you. Subscribe for more, and please, when watching, don't skip my ads. Don't skip the ads on the video, please. You're just helping me. You're helping a girl. You're helping a girl a lot. Thank you. God bless you. Have a blessed celebration ahead. Please don't forget to watch to the end so you see how everything turned out. I love you guys. Stay blessed. I love you. Bye. So guys, can you see how our spiral ceiling hanging wreath turned out? It looks so beautiful. So I wanted to make it like longer than this, but I remember I have Jaden at home. So I had to stop it somewhere, like where he could not reach, because I know very well that if I had made this more than this, Jaden would just be pulling everything down. So look at how it's looking so spirally. You get. Oh my god, I love it. I love how it turned out. It looked so beautiful, guys. You can make use of one color of ornament if you want. You don't need to make use of like multiple colors of ornaments like I did. So this is me just contemplating whether I should put maybe a bow on top of that place to cover it up. But overall, I love it. I love the fact that you can't even tell. You just feel like ornaments are on the air, right? As you're looking at it from the camera. So yes, you can decide to light up the wreath if you want, but I was running low of lighting. Maybe next year when I'm reusing it, I'm going to light it up by God's grace. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really appreciate you all. See you all in my next video. God bless you, and Merry Christmas. Bye bye.